Hi everyone, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree. Let's see what they have here, guys. So over here you have 2 for $1, the Heartline Hallmark Company. So these are like the money cards, I think, envelopes along the top, the sides over here, the money holders. Okay, and then the bottom ones are just regular Christmas cards. That's still a good buy, 2 for $1. Then they have one of these LED paper house. And then they have these glitter stickers. I'm surprised they have them. So this one is a snowflake, the bow and the tree. And here you have these. Let me just see what else they have. That is so pretty. They've been stocked this whole time. So then you have these miniatures here. And then they only have, this is what's left of the tube mesh. And then these are the pom-poms in the Christmas colors. And look, they even have these green gems. And here's the faux snow. Then on the bottom there, all you have is the red ribbon. So here you have the Christmas boxes. Aren't these pretty? Oh no, these are the ones with the handles. Okay. Aren't these pretty, guys? Okay, so you have this. These are nice for floral arrangements. You have that one. This is an actual box. And this is 3D right here, Deck the Halls. And I'm loving that one, Farm Fresh Christmas trees with the buffalo check. I like that. So these are the boxes. It's a penguin. And I'm just gonna scan, these are Santa. Seeing the Santa's 3D. And I'm loving that one. And the Santa. And then you have the little boxes that look like little gingerbread houses. And they do come in sizes. So these, I think, are the smaller ones. Then these are the medium ones. Then over here are the bigger ones. Those are cardboard. And then these are the round ones. And those come in sizes too. Those say Joy. Okay, they have the poinsettias. And then down here they have the tin ones. So this one is my favorite one right there. 'Tis the Season, Sweet Christmas Wishes, Santa, and there's the other bigger tin. That's pretty neat. I love that gingerbread. They're so cute. So these are the smaller tins right along the top here. And then this is probably the next size down. Aren't they nice? These are so nice. Okay, now these here are the cardboard mailboxes, and those come in sizes. So here's the smaller one. And then here's the next size. I don't know, maybe you could see it if I do this. The size difference. And then these are the bigger ones down here. Those are so nice. Right. So this says Chasing Unicorns. What are these? Bath bombs? These are last minute gifts. So this is a little candle. So they have all these candles over here at the front of the store. I guess, like, let me see if I can see a scent. This is what they look like. Waterlust. Okay, and then you have these mirrors and these canvas arts. Don't think I see anything different. Then you have these mirrors. Then you have these. Okay, that's what they have. Okay, so you have more of the Santa money holders. And then here's where they have the tins. So let me back up so I can show you. Okay, so if you come over here, oh, look at this big box. Isn't this nice? This big box right here, nice for like a wine bottle or something to drink. Then I'm absolutely loving these frames. Aren't they pretty? These camera frames. So they have the blue, here's the purple, and here is the pink, and here is the yellow. I absolutely love those. Then you have here the snowflake tea light holders, and then they have these. Let's see what else. Okay, so this is on the little round table display. So they have those little dinosaur mirrors, and then they have this, treat your elf. That's cute. Dear Santa, just bring wine. And then you have these down here. This is, it's my birthday month. That's cute. Okay, this one here says Christmas cheer. And then, oh, let's see. Okay, so they have more tins over here. Candy cane kisses and Christmas wishes. Tis the season, and then sweet Christmas wishes. So this one says, hello, love. Life is meant to be lived, and adventure's calling. And trust your journey. What's that black one say? You did not wake up to be mediocre. Okay, these are cute. I think those are new. I like these. Isn't that pretty? And then they have the smaller size. So you have the boxes, and then over here you have more tins. I absolutely love those window tins. So then, what are these? Yeah, it's a gift box. There's something in there. I'm not sure what those are. Then you have these long tins that make nice gifts. And then you have these. So here we have the Snuggadoo socks. They're so pretty. All the way to the top. Oh, look at this. So they have this rug. It's not cute. It says blessed. So that's the first time I'm seeing those. And then over here you have the Snuggadoo, the gloves, and also the beanies to match with the pom-poms on the top. These are really nice. So over here, they have the Stay Chic. The store is pretty full, so I kind of moved to a different area. They have the shampoo and conditioner, the foot scrub, the men's shaving kit. So these are nice stocking stuffers. Okay. Here's the makeup mirror. That would make a nice stocking stuffer. And then you have the bath bombs. That's pretty nice. And some more gift bags. So guys, and here we have some bath bombs, some hand sanitizer, and some other stuff. Thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree just to walk around and see what's left in Christmas decor and more.